2 Americans infected with Ebola are expected back in the U.S. for treatment.
One's a doctor from Fort Worth, and Dan is live with the latest. A lot of people in Fort Worth waiting and praying for this man.
Oh, that's so very true, Tim. These 2 American aid workers are now both listed in grave but stable condition. And as Tim was talking about, one of them, Dr. Kent Brantley, was a member here at the Southside Church of Christ for about 5 years. Both Dr. Brantley and his fellow aid worker, Nancy Wright-Bowl, are being flown back to the U.S. on a specially designed jet. It was chartered by the U.S. Centers for Disease Control. The aircraft includes an isolation compartment to prevent the flight crew and the medical staff on board from contracting Ebola. Now, one of the 2 patients, we're not sure which one, will be treated at Emory University Hospital in Atlanta, but neither the CDC nor the hospital is saying whether it will be Dr. Brantley or Nancy Wright-Bowl. We don't know also yet if the plane has left Liberia or when exactly that might happen. Colleagues who worked with Dr. Brantley at John Peter Smith Hospital in Fort Worth attended a prayer service last night here at the Southside Church. Friends were not surprised to learn that Dr. Brantley declined an experimental serum and asked that it be given to Wright-Bowl. Some at the service expressed gratitude that the 2 patients are being returned to the U.S.
They have limited resources over there. I think everybody knows that. So to get him back here in the United States where he has, pretty much everything that he would need, they could offer to him.
U.S. health officials on Thursday warned Americans not to travel to the 3 West African countries hit by the worst recorded Ebola outbreak in history. The travel advisory applies to non-essential travel to Guinea, Liberia, and Sierra Leone, where the deadly disease has killed more than 700 people this year. The director for the CDC calls Ebola a tragic, dreadful, and merciless virus. Congregants here at Southside Church can only pray that Dr. Brantley and Nancy Wright-Bowl will be spared. Reporting live in Fort Worth, Dan Godwin on Good Day.